A bad smell coming from the kitchen sink is a common issue. To get rid of food residue stuck in the pipes, start by removing the strainer and clearing out any visible waste. Then drop a dishwasher tablet into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and slowly pour it over the tablet to help it dissolve and flow into the pipes. You'll notice a clean scent almost immediately. Once the tablet is fully dissolved, wipe the drain with a sponge. It'll be clean, shiny, and your kitchen will smell fresh throughout. Under no circumstances should you pour oil down the sink. Let me show you why this disposal method is so bad and what you should actually do with used oil. The problem is that used grease soon starts to solidify and change its consistency. Once it settles in the pipes, it can form a clog that, with regular additions of more oil, will eventually block the entire drain. It's also worth noting that oil contains food particles, which can make the problem even worse. In such cases, regular store-bought drain cleaners might not be enough, and you may need professional help. So, what should you do instead? First, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a small section. Place it in the sink, shaping it around the drain to create a protective barrier. Now you can safely pour the leftover oil onto the foil, where it will be contained. Once you're done, carefully wrap the foil with the oil inside and throw it in the trash. This simple trick prevents pipe damage and helps keep your kitchen clean and safe. So if you've been in the habit of pouring used cooking oil down the drain, change that now before it leads to a household disaster. This one spoonful will save your sink. You'll never call a plumber again. No more wasting money on chemical products. Don't poison yourself or the environment. Make a natural mixture that really works. Start by taking a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice, ideally using a juicer. You'll need about half a cup. Citric acid is excellent at eliminating bacteria and neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease and helps the mixture reach deep into the pipes. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. Thanks to its abrasive properties, it removes built-up grime, limits bacterial growth, and further neutralizes smells. Mix everything until you get a thick consistency. This is important. The thicker the mixture, the longer it stays in the drain and the more effective it is. Now the key part. In the evening, pour 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda into the sink. Immediately follow with the prepared mixture. Leave it overnight. In the morning, plug the sink, fill it with hot water, and after a moment, unplug it. The strong rush of water will flush away the dissolved dirt and bacteria. Done. A clean, odor-free, chemical-free sink. Natural, simple, and effective. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves 2 problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems. This unclogs the drain better than a machine. Every home needs this green liquid. Once you use it, you'll quickly notice the difference. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 7 ounces of dish soap. Its powerful degreasing properties help dissolve food residues and grease that accumulate in the drain. Next, add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove buildup and bacteria from the pipes. Now pour in 3 ounces of vinegar and mix everything thoroughly. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, remove the strainer. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda has strong cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. Now pour the prepared mixture into the drain and leave it overnight, so the ingredients have time to break down dirt and disinfect the pipes. In the morning, Close the sink and fill it with hot water. Once full, remove the plug. The strong stream of water will flush out any remaining dirt and bacteria, leaving the drain clean and odor-free. Using this method twice a month will keep your pipes clear, and your sink will always smell fresh. Pour 1 spoonful of coffee into the sink. See the effects instantly. Everyday products can have surprising uses, and this method is a great alternative to chemical cleaners. It's an easy way to freshen up your kitchen and bathroom with minimal effort. Prepare a large bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which absorbs odors effectively. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, known for its cleaning properties, and pour in 1 cup of vinegar for its disinfecting power. Mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Once ready, pour the mixture into the sink or basin. Let it sit for a few minutes to activate the ingredients. Then rinse with warm water. You'll notice how it removes buildup, eliminates bad odors, and prevents dirt accumulation. It can also help keep pests away. Try this natural method and see the results for yourself. Drop them into your bathroom sink, but also toss a few of these cubes into your kitchen drain. Once you learn this trick, you'll stop buying expensive and harsh chemical cleaners. Take 2 limes and cut them in half. Make sure they're juicy. Then slice each half into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add enough water to completely cover the lime pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve. Use a teaspoon to press out all the pulp. To the strained liquid, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and about 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well. That's your cleaning solution. Grab an ice cube tray and pour the mixture into each compartment. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to protect the contents, and place it in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the plastic and pop out the cubes. And you're done. Just drop one of these cubes into the sink and run some water. Fresh, clean scents will rise from the drain. They also work great in the toilet. Perfect for freshening up your bathroom in seconds. No effort needed. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand.